Walking around Canary Islands, Gran Canaria. You want to walk with me? I think this where that was a nice pool parties at summertime. I'm walking in a different direction to my hotel. And walking back to dinner, I had to go and get euros because we don't take pounds over here. Oh. So I had to go and get. Yeah. Now I'm walking back to my hotel. Look at beautiful palm trees. And there's me. You wanna walk? It's the calm after the storm because yesterday was carnival and the streets were littered with all sorts of things. And they've cleaned out, but there's still some remnants of things everywhere, as you can see. The little bits, and there's still stuff all over the land. I found these beautiful black plumes, darling. So they're going to adorn my thing, and I've got my sticks, as you can see. These sticks are for dinner if I stop by for sushi or something somewhere. And I found this this whistle right in the street last night because I was walking back here to my hotel, and I thought, ooh, I just days was thinking about a whistle. I was just thinking about one of these whistles. I thought, oh, I used to have one of those when I used to go to theatre and things like that in Guyana. And I thought, I want one of them whistle again. And there I go, found it after the storm last night. I thought I'm gonna vibrate the land with this out. The birds were whistling back. It was wonderful. And I thought, ooh, that's staying with me. So there you go. Everything that stays with me is in the hairs of pearls and all sorts of things in this hair. Say hi to the people. Frank, they're all holiday makers. This restaurant. I think this is a Greek restaurant. It's got all sorts of Greek diners. And then there's over there. I think that's all up the day quarters placey. My hotel is somewhere up the road there. At the end I'll make a left turn. And then I got to go and get my entire I'm just be simple really. It's dinner time. So I need to unwind. This is like my exercise walk, if you like. So I just walk right away around the block. And I'm back to my hotel, and then I take a little break and I get dressed for now I found the feather, darling. Sorry, it's black and white. You don't find that every day, so I should have it. I think they're from the costumes anyway, but still. So we'll go with an outfit. Oh, and it's got some red plumes at the top, so I'll stay for wonderment. I don't know where I am right now. Yeah, I know now. Look, this lovely hibiscus flower. Should I put it in my hair? Well, I like it. What can you do?